So I'm going to show you guys my trick on how I pluck my eyebrows and shape them. Just use a small comb and comb all of your eyebrow hairs upward as much as possible. Make sure all those hairs are up, and then when they are, just cut the tips of it so it lines up with the shape of your eyebrow. Don't go any lower. Do the same to the other side again, combing all of the hairs upward, and then you're going to trim the top part of that hair just to get rid of some of the longer hairs to make your eyebrows stand out. Again, don't go too low or you'll be cutting your actual eyebrow. And you want to comb them all downward, repeating the same steps. Comb it down and trim it, any extra long hair that's unnecessary. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side, like so. And you guys, my eyebrows were dyed brown, so that's why they look kind of crazy right now. They're like growing from brown to black. Comment below and tell me if you guys ever dyed your eyebrows and how that worked out for you. I'm not going to go back to brown eyebrows for a while because it's driving me crazy. So anyway, you just want to comb it out and begin plucking or tweezing, whatever. You just want to tweeze to match the shape of your eyebrow. Don't over tweeze, don't under tweeze. And right now it's kind of not so clean because I can't really see if I want to keep my eyebrows this shape or not, so I'm just plucking some random things. As you can see, my eyebrows are still brown and black, so I'm just tweezing, but I could have cleaned them up a little more, but again, I'm trying to grow them out and grow this brown out of my eyebrows. So I'll do an updated video when my eyebrows are back to its original color. But again, just keep plucking and plucking and plucking and plucking and plucking. And don't try to make your eyebrows a shape that they're not. Make them natural. And then you can do the same thing to the other side. My tips are just clean right under the peak of your eyebrow where it has that natural arch. Just clean that up and then clean above the top just a little bit. But again, don't get crazy and try to pluck your eyebrow hairs to make your eyebrows look like a totally different shape. It's not cute. So, and guys, ignore my skin because I literally just washed my face and my skin is dry. But love you. Thanks for watching. And don't judge my nappy edges because they'll be done soon, boo. And the acne, whatever. Love you.